Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In here you're looking for Airbnb app. You just click on it here or search for it. So add here Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.